Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a how I save for luxury video. I have been wanting to do this video for such a long time, and I asked you guys on my Instagram if that would be a good idea to do a video on this, and you guys voted yes, so I'm so happy for that. If you aren't following me on Instagram, I will put my name on the screen. Please go follow me there. I ask you guys what kind of videos you guys want to see, and I do like kind of votes on which bags I should buy, and it's just very informative, and I just want to connect with you guys more and see what you guys want to see on my channel, so please go follow me there. But yes, this video is going to be very informative and kind of chatty. If you're interested on how you could save money for luxury, then just keep on watching. Before we get started, I just wanted to introduce myself. My name is Scotto. I like to do videos on luxury unboxings, luxury hauls, luxury reviews, all things luxury. So if you're in that kind of thing, then please consider to hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification button so you're notified every time that I upload a new video, which is Mondays and Thursdays. So I have my notebook here of all my notes of ways you could save for luxury. So if I'm looking down, then that's what I'm looking at. My number one tip for you guys is to pay off all your debt before you start saving for luxury. At the end of the day, it's not really worth to go in debt for luxury items. I mean, yes, you want these items, I know, but it kind of takes a little bit of patience until you are able to save money for luxury, and I feel like it's more rewarding when you have all this money that you saved and you took the time and you put really hard work into it. It's more rewarding when you go to the store or you buy online and you unbox the item. It's just another whole different feeling, and I love that feeling. It's just so special, and that bag will always have a sentimental value to you because of how hard you worked for that bag. And yeah, that's what I really suggest, is don't go in debt for a bag. Pay it all off your debt and then start thinking of things that you want and you can save up for. So that's my number one tip. My second tip for you guys is Ebates. This is not a sponsored video. I wish it was, but I'm too little of a YouTuber yet to get sponsored. But Ebates has literally saved my life. Okay, that's a bit dramatic. It has really helped me with my luxury journey. I've been doing luxury for about 2 years now, and I've always used Ebates. Sometimes I buy into stores, but most of the time I like to go on Ebates, and Ebates has all these different stores that you can get cash back of. They have like a different percent for each store. So Neiman Marcus and Saks Fifth Avenue pretty much have the same percentage back most of the time, and that's what I've been using. But there's other companies like Louis Via Roma, Maria Theresa, and Net-a-Porter that you can buy from. But I usually use Neiman Marcus and Saks Fifth Avenue. So normally Saks Fifth Avenue and Neiman Marcus has like between the 10 and 12% cash back. And it is a chunk of money if you're spending a chunk of money. Log into Ebates. You have to make an account on Ebates. You log into Ebates and you pick all the different stores that you want to get notifications for cash back. So once you go on Ebates, it'll tell you all the stores that you picked, and it'll tell you the percent of cash back that you can get. So you click on it and it'll redirect you to the website, and then from there you can pick the bag or item that you want to buy. You check out and it automatically goes onto your Ebates account. When you know your amount, they send you a check. And it's just really good. I've saved a lot of money from using Ebates alone, which brings me to my third tip. My third tip is, okay, say you have all your money that you saved up for this one item all together, and you have a credit card that gives you a lot of cash back on it. My suggestion, what I've done in the past and I've saved even more money, was that you take your amount and you put it in your bank account, your credit card, to buy the item, and then at the end of the month you just pay the full amount of your credit card. So that's my third tip for you guys. If you guys want to do that, it's just a suggestion. Before we get any further, I'm just showing you guys tips and suggestions. I'm not telling you or pressuring you to buy any luxury items or telling you have to do these steps in order to save luxury. There's multiple ways you can save money, but over the years I've learned and experienced ways you could save money, and helped me in a tremendous amount and helped me save more money so I could buy other items. So at the end of the day, I'm just showing you guys, and at the end of the day, I keep saying at the end of the day, these are just materialistic things, and I'm not pressuring you to buy luxury. And plus, I've been getting questions on like, how do you do it? How do you save money for luxury? And these are just my tips for you guys. So I'm just helping those who ask these questions, and I'm helping you guys if you want to get into luxury but you don't know if you can afford it. You could use these tips as well. Okay, so my third tip is an envelope system. You take mailing envelopes or any kinds of envelopes that you could just tuck away your money into, and you label them. So in the past, I've done luxury, I've done needs, I've done wants, and just for different things. I know before I went to Europe, I did a Europe like envelope of all the money that I wanted to spend there, and then I did another one for like wants, like going out to dinner, to the movies. If you're just going out and you want little money to bring with you, that's a wants category. And then for needs are like bills, my phone bill, my car payment, all of the like necessities, priorities that I need to pay for. So yeah, that's what I labeled, but you could do in any different way. You could do like luxury if you're trying to save up for vacation, a new car, needs, wants. You can categorize it in any way you want. So at the end of the month or at the end of the week, you just put some money in it, and then once you saved up all your money, you can go in the envelope and you have money, but you also have money left over in each other category. So it's not like you're saving all your money for this one item and when you buy your item you have no money left. So that is a good way to do it, and that's what helped me in the past not to like persuade me more to buy the item, but it just made it more financially smarter in a way for me to buy luxury. So yeah, I definitely suggest that for you guys if you are wanting to do that. My fourth tip is to list all your finances, right? And to take out what you don't want. Some kind of subscription account that you don't really use, take it out, because at the end of the month or at the end of the year, it really adds up to a chunk. So what I did this, I like got rid of my FabFitFun subscription because that was like a chunk of money each month for me, and at the end of the year it became like a big chunk of money as well, and I could put that towards a new luxury item that I wanted. And the FabFitFun box, it is such a great box, but I was finding myself that I wasn't using every little item in the box as much as I thought I was. So I just got that out of the way, and the money that I was spending on that box, I had it at the end of the month, and I was able to put it in my luxury envelope. The next tip is to buy from Europe. If you ever go to Europe, that is literally the time to buy your luxury items. You save so much money, it is insane. Everything over there is so much cheaper because it's in the origin of like where it's being made and developed, so it's cheaper. I know when last time I went to Europe, I bought the bag, I bought the wallet, I bought my boyfriend a wallet, what else? I bought my brother a bracelet, and I ended up taking home like around $500 to $600 for all those items, because there your tax is included in the price. So once you have the paperwork from there, you take it to the airport where they have all like the tax office, whatever, and you get money back. So it is such a great way to do that, because one, you save a lot of money and you get money back, so it's a double win. So I definitely suggest that if you're going to Europe, to buy your luxury item there, and give yourself enough time to save for that item, so when you do go to Europe, you have the money and you can, yeah, pay for it and get the money back. Okay, so my next tip is a big one for me, and I've been loving doing it so much, is Poshmark. If you have things that you're not wearing, like clothes, shoes that you're not wearing, that are in still pretty good condition, sell them, because it adds up. I've been doing it literally for a year. Within the year, I've gained around $2,000 from selling all my clothes, not all my clothes, but the clothes that I wasn't using that still had tags on it, that was in pretty good condition. I've sold my shoes that I wasn't wearing that was still in good condition and that I literally wore like once or twice, and also I've sold a couple of luxury items on there as well. So it adds up, and they pay you direct deposit, or I think you can get sent a check. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can get sent a check, but that is such a great way to gain money, is Poshmark. My next tip is to sell your luxury items that you're not using. So, for example, my Gucci Dionysus, example, to not just have me sit here and talk to you guys is that my Gucci Dionysus I'm selling because I'm not using it, and I'd rather give it to a home that's going to be more loved because it's such a great bag, but I just don't find it useful for my lifestyle. The bag is made so well and it's just a beautiful bag overall, but I'm not using it. So I'd rather have the money for this bag and spending on something that I'm actually going to love and use. My last tip for you guys is that helps me a lot, and which was very surprising to me as well, is that if you're carrying cash, I know it's very rare that people carry cash nowadays, but if you are, to save all your singles and your coins, because normally you don't really use singles or coins anymore, especially like coins, you don't really use them anymore. So if you do and you get change back, put it in like a little box or put it in like a little something that you could just stuff in every time that you have singles and coins. And literally when I've done this, I came up with like $600 to $800. Insane. I was just like, how? But I've done it for like 3 months, or I don't know how long I've done it, but at the end of those months that I saved, I went to go count it and brought it to the bank, and it ended up being like $600, $800, which is so surprising because it's coins. Like, you don't realize how much it adds up, but it does. So that is another big tip that I have for you guys. So that is all my tips that I have for you guys. I hope I helped you guys. Do you guys like this setup, by the way? I'm kind of digging it. You guys could see like a little luxury background because I mean my channel is about luxury. But like I was saying, I hope I helped you guys and gave you guys enough tips to save money. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are liking these kinds of videos. I would love to do more kinds of videos like this and other videos, and also go follow me on Instagram again because you guys could give me some video suggestions on what you guys want to see. I'll put my name on the screen. But I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night wherever you're in the world, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!